3 areas that people look aged the most. You would be surprised by the last area. Number 1, under eye hollows or the teardrop. These hollows make your eyes look darker and actually make you look tired. These hollows are caused by the loss of collagen and fat pad migration in the upper face, and bone loss on top of that can actually make your under eye area look very sunken. The second area is the smile lines, or commonly known as the nasalabial folds. As we get older, the appearance of the folds will become more prominent due to the fat loss and the loss of collagen that usually support our mid-face. So everything will affect the overall quality of your skin, and you will have saggier skin that create more deeper lines in the folds. Number 3, the marionette lines. These are the lines that start from the corner of your mouth and travel down to your chin. These lines shows the most aging side in my opinion because it constantly makes you look like you are frowning.
Oh no!
As we age, we lose collagen and fat pad that support our mid-face, so everything seems to be saggy and melting down. Comment below to let me know if you are experiencing any of these aging signs.